Hey y'all, we've got a nostalgic twist on a 90s ice cream fave.
T, I see the ice cream truck and I got $2. Let's go order 2 cherry screwballs. Well, no gum or cherry in this one. We do have bananas, grapes, and as you can see, we went to the market. We've got new ones and old ones. We've got strawberries. These are our old ones. These are our new ones. We also have some pineapples in the fridge too, and we want all of that, even that juice in there. And we got blueberries. It was only a couple, but we'll use them. All of this is fruit. Oh, don't forget the banana. All of this is fruit that normally goes bad, but we're gonna show you how to reuse it and make a screwball remix smoothie. Let's go ahead and grab the blender. As you know, it's different settings, power, well, Ninja don't pay us for this yet. So anyway, grab any blender you got, take the lid off. We'll go ahead and pour in our pineapple first. And you do want that juice, that's gonna be the sweetener, as you don't need any other additives. Oops, we dropped some, no worries. We're gonna go ahead and eat this on the side. Here's our grapes. We only rinsed them with a little water, that'll plump them back up. Here's our strawberries. We cut the tops off and rinse them off as well. We'll pour all this in. And here's our 1 banana. This will be our stiffener, so this will be used in our shake to stiffen it up a little bit, and it may turn brown, but it's just sugar. Here's our blueberries. We only had a couple of these, so we'll throw these in as well. All of this is recycled fruit that you normally either toss out or throw away or put in the garbage disposal. We'll go ahead and line up our top. As you can see, as long as the arrows meet, it's time to blend. Remember, just blend all your ingredients up thoroughly, as this will make sure everything's mixed and broken down. You'll see it change colors a couple times as we use our blender on low speed, then medium, then high. You want to have it on low when you're blending up the big ingredients until it's purified. Now most of you will say I'm done and you're ready to pour it. Not yet. This is your base mix. What we'll do is grab the little bullet over here, and this is where we'll crush our ice. We're gonna mix this with ice to make it even more slushy. So we'll pour in usually about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of ice. Up to you. It's hot out here, so we're gonna do a halfway to 3/4. Here's our base mix that we mixed earlier, and we're gonna go ahead and pour this in. Now remember, this will have to reach the bottom, so there will be some bubbling. You'll see it burp and a couple air bubbles come up. That's fine. Just tap the side a little bit, and that's those bubbles we talked about. Make sure all those are out, and then we'll go ahead and put our cap on top. If you don't burp it, you'll have a lot of air pressure in there, so that's why we recommend doing this. You would give it a little shake. They do have a guide on here, but we're not gonna use it. We know this smoothie is delicious, so we're gonna drink it all. Try to fill it up to the top, but not too much, so you can still fit your blade. We'll go ahead and screw this on tight. Make sure this is locked down tight. You don't want this spilling all over your blender. So we're gonna give it an extra twist here. I like to turn it upside down just to make sure nothing's leaking. We'll go ahead and lock this in. And this is all it takes. We'll push the button. I might pulse it a couple times, or just put it on smoothie, and it'll start and stop for you to let those ingredients settle. We're not gonna blast your ears again, so we'll mute the blender sound. That's it, it's all done. Here's our base. We'll keep this in the fridge in case we get thirsty or want some more later. This is what we'll use, and we'll go ahead and unscrew the top. I'll tap it a little bit to make sure we get much of that down in the bottom. Unscrew it. And it's nice and smooth, just like a slushy machine. I can't stress this enough, y'all. Make sure you rinse off all your blender parts with hot water, even the blade and your main mix in the fridge. Take that out and rinse it off to keep everything sanitary, nice and clean, and easy for your next use.
Look at that pour.
Delicious.
Now that's the consistency you're looking for. Smooth and no chunks, just ready to drink. So refreshing and flavorful, it's the perfect creamy slushy for a super hot day. Once again, we hope you enjoy, stay cool and hydrated. And as always, thanks again for blending with B&T.